Hello, this is Saurabh and I would like to show this application which I developed recently. Before continuing, I would like to give you a small brief introduction of mine. My name is Saurabh Khamar and I am pursuing final year of BSc Computer Science from Nalanda College, Vijayawada. So this app name is sfashiononline.com and it's an online shopping application. Here we can see the category displayed here, and for an example, if I want to purchase this handbag, I will simply click on this handbag button. On here we can see the small drop down menu is there. I will simply click on this drop down menu and we can find these items. If I want to purchase this Austin red handbag, I will simply click on this and we can see the all the item product details and the price has been shown. If I like this product, I simply click on this add to cart button and we can see this pop-up message has been displayed that item has been added to the cart. Now if I want to purchase sunglasses, I will simply click on this product button, so it will move to the main page. I will simply click on this sunglasses, and if I want to add this, if I want to add this, I will simply click on this add to cart button. Okay, now if I want to purchase any another item, like for an example, I want to purchase the shoes, I simply click on this shoes button and select the item in this shoe category. If for example I want to select formal shoes, okay, I simply click on this add to cart button and it has been added. Okay, I have been selected all items which I want to purchase. Now I simply click on this checkout button, it will move to the next page. Here we can see the all items which I have been selected for shopping. And for an example, now the if I want to remove this formal shoe, I simply click long press on this category. A pop-up message will be appear. If I want to delete it or not, I simply click on this delete button, so the item has been removed, and as we can see the price also has been updated. So okay, if it is okay, I will simply click on this checkout button. Here we can enter shipping address, name, email address, etc. For an example, I am giving this small name Ravi, email address, and address, shipping address. I am giving a small address for an example and entering a contact number. Okay, here we can see the date, on which date I want to select this, purchase this item. I can select this date, and after that you can see this select person, salesperson. Okay, if in this we can select the salesperson name from which we have been purchasing. For an example, I am purchasing from John. I simply click on this John, so it has been selected. Okay, I have entered all the details which has been asked. I will simply click on this finish button. Okay, here we can see congratulations, your order has been placed. So my order has been placed and I am we can see this summary report, all the products as which has been selected and which has been purchased, the total, tax and grand total, all this has been displayed, and that shipping address, email address, phone number, which has been all the data which has been entered has been displayed here. Okay, if it is okay with me, I will simply click on this finish button. It will go back to the main menu. Here we can select whatever which items. Again, if you want to make any another purchases, we can do this. Okay, I hope you like this app. Okay, bye.